Hello everyone, this is Prabhashim, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see some problems. First of all, we have to create formulas in Laplace transformations. So we know that the formula for Laplace transformation is e power minus st. Here we are going to see the formula for the Laplace transformations. So which is nothing that L of f of t equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into dt, which is equal to capital F of s. So this is the formula for the Laplace transformations. So using that formula, we are going to derive some basic formulas. So that is L of e power minus at. So now we are going to find L of e power minus at, which is nothing but 1 divided by s plus a, where s plus a is greater than 0. So we are substituting f of t equal to e power minus at. So in that for integrations 0 to infinity e power minus st into e power minus at into dt. So here we are having a denominator as an exponential function e. So we can add the numerator, that is in power e power minus st and e power minus at. We can add the power points. So according to that, we will get e power minus s plus a into dt. We know that the formula for e power ax is for the integration e power ax divided by a. So here the value of a is s plus a. So by substituting that, we will get e power minus s plus a divided by minus s plus a. So we know the formula by substituting s instead of infinity and 0. We are going to substitute the limit values 0 and infinity. So first we have to substitute the upper interval and then lower lower interval. So by substituting upper interval, we will get e power minus infinity by infinity, which is e power 0 by infinity, which is a 0, and then we will get e power 0. So we know the value for e power 0 is 1. So we will get minus of minus 1 divided by s plus a, which is nothing but 1 divided by s plus a. Hence we have proved that. So the next formula is we are going to derive cos 80 and sin 80. We know the e power I theta formula, which is the exponential functions, which e power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, which we called as a cosine functions. So e power I 80 in the same format, instead of theta we are having a into t here. So we will get e power I into 80, which is nothing but 1 divided by, we will see that formula for e power minus 80 is 1 divided by s plus a. So similarly for e power 80 is 1 divided by s minus a. So according with that, we will get 1 divided by s minus ia. We know that the I part should not be in the denominator. So we have to take a composite for the both functions. So we are taking a conjugate. So 1 divided by s minus I into a. For s minus ia, the conjugation is s plus ia. So now we are going to multiple with the numerator and denominator with the s plus ia. So by multiplying this, we know the formula a squared minus b squared, which is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. According to that formula, we are having terms s minus ia and s plus ia. So combining both this, we will get s squared plus a squared in the denominator. To the numerator, we are having s plus ia. So now we are going to shifting that equations into a real parts and then imaginary parts, like we have done in the complex numbers. So here we are having a real part x as an s divided by s squared plus a squared, and then imaginary part y as an a divided by s squared plus a squared, which is known that cos 80 is a real part of the cosine functions and sin 80 is the imaginary part of the cosine function. So the Laplace transformation of the cos 80, which is nothing but s divided by s squared plus a squared, and then sin 80, which is nothing but a divided by s squared plus a squared. Thank you. Instead of that cosine function, we can't able to deliver the cos 80 and the sin 80 formula. So they have asked an cos 80 instead of cos theta. So only we are taking e power I theta, which is equal to e power I into 80 in that formula. So by using the previous formula, we are having we are getting that formula. We know that a complex number is in the form of x plus iy, which is a combination of a real part into the imaginary part. The imaginary part is we will write as that as a I into y format. So we are having here x plus iy format, which is nothing but x equal to s divided by s squared plus a squared, and then y equal to a divided by s squared plus a squared. So by letting that we are equating the right hand side into the left hand side, so we will get L of cos 80 plus I into L of sin 80. Laplace transformation having the property of splitting the equations like L of x plus iy, then we can write that equations is into L of x plus I into L of y, because I is an imaginary part. So we can write that as I into L of y. So which is nothing but L of x is cos 80. So L of cos 80 equal to s divided by s squared plus a squared, and then L of sin 80, that is y equal to a divided by s squared plus a squared. So this is the basic formula that this is very important formula for the Laplace transformations. Thank you.